In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for real estate templates. If you're in real estate and want a fast, organized way to manage listings, leads, marketing, or transactions, Airtable's ready-made templates can save you hours. I'll walk you through exactly how to find them, choose the right one, and add it to your workspace so you can start working right away. First, open your web browser and go to airtable.com/templates. Give the page a moment to load. This is Airtable's template gallery, a curated collection of ready-to-use bases for many industries. You'll see a search bar near the top, along with categories and featured picks. We'll use the search to zero in on what we need. Once the gallery loads, click into the search bar and type real estate. Press enter. Airtable will filter the gallery to show templates relevant to real estate workflows. This is where you'll begin to see the value. These templates are designed to help you track properties, manage marketing campaigns, organize showings, and keep your pipeline clean, all with views and fields already set up. You'll now see several real estate options on the results page. Take a moment to scan the titles and short descriptions. Each template typically includes a brief overview of what it's for, like residential marketing management or property pipeline tracking, and a preview of the tables and views included. This helps you find the one that best fits how you work. When you've decided which template you want, click on it to open its detail page. Wait for it to load fully so you can review the highlights and sample records. When you're ready to bring it into your own account, click the Use Template button. This tells Airtable to copy that template for your use. Next, select the workspace where you want the template to live. Pick the space where your team collaborates or where you keep related projects, so everything stays organized. Choosing the right workspace now makes sharing and permissions simpler later. Finally, click Add Base. Airtable will create a new base from the template inside your selected workspace. That's it. You now have a complete real estate base ready to go. From here, you can rename the base to match your project, skim the tables to understand the structure, and review the example records to see how everything connects. As you get comfortable, replace sample data with your own, tweak field names to match your terminology, and adjust views to highlight what matters most. Small customizations like color coding statuses or filtering for active listings can make the template feel perfectly tailored to your process. And that's how to use Airtable for real estate templates. Follow these steps anytime you need a fresh, organized starting point for your next property project.